Welcome to Box Breakers. Today's break is number 40. We're opening 4 boxes of titanium 1314 hockey. Last bid was at, get the focus here, January 6th, 22.28. So at 10.28 was the final bid, and eBay official time is January 7th, 2015, and it's 12:04 Eastern Time. Get this in focus. And serial numbers. Finishing at 176. Second box. Finishing with 448. Third box, finishing with 873. And last box with 384. So, first box. Two, three, four, 5 packs. Here we go. First pack. Base. 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 Oh, double auto. Calvin Picard, Michael Scarbosa, Avalanche. Wow, numbered 1 of 1, 50 of 50, 1 of 1. So 50th of 50. Wow, what a nice hit for Avalanche. This here. Base, base, base. Another auto. Roman Josie, Titanium Reserve. Focus here. Base, base, base. Canadians, Dan Bier, jersey card. Base card, base card, base card. Oh, rookie auto jersey out of 100. Corey Conicher, Ottawa Senators. Base, base, base. Another autograph. Detroit. Brian Lashoff, numbered out of 199. Second box. One, two, three, four, five bags. Base, base, base. Panthers jersey card, Scott Clemenson. Base, base. Aaron Ness, New York Islanders, autograph. And a rookie, Mikael Caruso, numbered out of 100. Panthers again. Base, base, base. Double jersey. Toronto, Dion Phaneuf, Al Ayafrat, numbered out of 300. Base, base, base. Jersey card, Mika Kiprusov, Calgary. Base, base, base. Autograph. Sabres, Corey Thrupp, metallic marks bronze. Third box. One, two, three, four, five. Base, base, base. Toronto again. Same card. Double jersey, Al Ayafrat, Dion Phaneuf. Numbered out of 300. Toronto. Base. Base. Social signature. Joel Ward, Capitals. And a rookie, Jakob Silfverberg, Ducks, numbered 18 out of 33. Base. Base. Jersey card, Ron Francis. Hurricanes. Base. 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 Oh, nice patch. 3-color patch. Shea Weber. 3 out of 50. Nashville Predators. Nice patch. Base. Base. We have another patch. Toronto, Nikolai Kulimin out of 25. 03 out of 25. Toronto again. Wow, nice patch. Last box. Two, three, four, five. Base. Base. Jersey card. Eric Tangradi, Winnipeg. Base. 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 Ooh. Wow. Jonathan Quick. Auto patch. Numbered out of 7 of 25. Ooh, nice seam. LA Kings. Jonathan Quick. Wow, that's a nice patch. Auto patch. Base, base, base. Ducks, Frederick Anderson, rookie autograph. Oops, sorry, trying to get focus here. There we go. Base, base, base. Chicago, team building, quad jersey, number 22 out of 100 for Chicago. Last pack. Base, base, base. Autograph. Richard Bachman. Stars. That concludes her box break number 40. Thank you.